In my Hamilton Beach personal blender review, you'll learn why this blender is ideal if you're looking for a simple way to whip up your morning smoothie without the hassle of a bulky blender. This compact powerhouse packs 300 watts of peak blending power into a sleek design. The 14-ounce BPA-free jar doubles as a travel cup, meaning you can blend and take your drink on the go without extra dishes to wash. The stainless steel blades make quick work of frozen fruit, ice, and protein powders, although you'll need to stick to smaller portions. A single touch of the button delivers smooth results almost every time, whether you're making smoothies, shakes, or even baby food. Cleaning up takes minimal effort since the jar, blades, and travel lid are all dishwasher safe. Plus, the compact size fits neatly in most cup holders and tucks away easily in cabinets when not in use. Additionally, the BPA-free cup means you can sip worry-free. A few limitations exist though. The 14-ounce capacity works best for single servings, and the single speed setting, while simple and easy to use, does give you less control. Also, the corded design means you'll need access to an outlet to actually use the blender. If you want more portability, then Hamilton Beach do make a cordless portable blender, which I'll be discussing later on in this Hamilton Beach portable blender review. Overall though, the corded design ensures consistent power for smooth results, unlike some battery-operated options that can lose strength over time. While not wireless, you get reliable performance that crushes ice and frozen fruit with ease. Perfect for small kitchens, dorm rooms, or office break rooms, this blender continues Hamilton Beach's legacy of practical innovation. Sometimes you just want a quick smoothie without the bulk of a full-size blender. Indeed, when it comes to personal blenders, raw power isn't everything. It's about smart design and efficient blending, and that's where the Hamilton Beach portable blender comes in. The stainless steel blades are built to last and can handle tough ingredients with ease. These sharp blades make quick work of frozen fruits and ice cubes. The blade design helps create a steady blending vortex that pulls ingredients down for consistent results. Similarly, while there are definitely more power personal blenders available, the 300-watt motor still provides enough muscle for your morning smoothie routine. You can blend frozen berries, yogurt, and protein powder into a smooth drink in under a minute. Plus, the single-speed operation keeps things simple. Just press and hold the button until you reach your desired consistency. The motor is designed to prevent overheating during those quick morning blends. While it won't crush large ice cubes like a premium blender, it handles smaller frozen pieces well. Your smoothies and protein shakes come out nicely blended without chunks or bits of unprocessed ingredients. For best results, cut fruits into smaller pieces before blending. Adding liquid ingredients first helps create smoother blends. The motor might struggle with very hard ingredients like whole nuts or large frozen chunks, so those are best pre-chopped. The next benefit is one that you'll appreciate after blending. Cleaning up after making your favorite smoothies and shakes doesn't need to be a hassle. The thoughtful design makes post-blend cleanup quick and simple. The travel jar, blending blades, and lid are all safe to pop in your dishwasher. Just separate the pieces and place them on the top rack. The BPA-free plastic jar won't warp or stain in the dishwasher. In terms of portability, the 14-ounce travel cup fits perfectly in most car cup holders, making transport simple and spill-free. You'll appreciate the secure travel lid that keeps your drinks contained during your commute. The compact size means you can easily store it in a cabinet or desk drawer when not in use. Whether you're heading to work, the gym, or class, this personal blender packs serious convenience into a small package. The 300-watt motor and stainless steel blades create smooth blends with just one touch of a button. At just 3.5 inches wide and 12.5 inches tall, this blender takes up minimal counter space in small kitchens, dorm rooms, or office break rooms. The cord-powered design ensures consistent blending power when you need it. Simplicity meets power in a compact design that won't leave you puzzled over complicated settings or multiple buttons. The straightforward operation makes this personal blender a practical choice for busy mornings and post-workout refreshments. The single button control eliminates any guesswork from your blending routine. Just press once to start blending your ingredients and press again to stop when you've reached your desired consistency. The travel cup features clear measurement markings to help you add the right amount of ingredients. You won't need to fiddle with complex settings or scroll through multiple options to get your blend started. So, while this blender isn't ultra powerful, it's super easy to use and still packs enough punch for a quick protein shake or smoothie. Now for the pros and cons part of my Hamilton Beach personal blender review. Starting with the pros, 300 watts of power tackles ice and frozen fruit effectively. Stainless steel blades stay sharp for consistent blending. Fits in most car cup holders for easy transport. Simple one-button operation. Dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup a breeze. 14-ounce cup is perfect for single servings. BPA-free materials keep your drinks safe. Compact size saves counter space. As for the cons, limited capacity won't work for large batches. Can be noisy during operation. Need to plug it in, but keep watching for a cordless option. Not meant for crushing hard ingredients like nuts. Cup can be tough to clean if smoothie dries inside. Only comes with one cup. Lid could be a bit more secure. Next up, I'd just like to give a quick Hamilton Beach personal blender review for a cordless portable blender for those seeking extra portability for their on-the-go lifestyles. The Hamilton Beach Mini Cordless Portable Personal Blender is a convenient and powerful tool for making smoothies, shakes, and more on the go. With its USB rechargeable battery, you can easily blend up your favorite drinks anywhere without being tethered to an outlet. The 16-ounce jar with leak-proof travel lid lets you take your blended creation with you to enjoy later. Under the hood, this personal blender packs 6 durable stainless steel blades that can crush through ice and frozen ingredients with ease, thanks to its 300 watts of peak power. Whether you're making a green smoothie, protein shake, or a blended cocktail, this little appliance has the oomph to get the job done well. The powerful corded blending performance can power through any blending task. Convenience is a key selling point of this blender. The fact that you can use the same jar you blend in as a travel cup cuts down on dishes. Just twist on the leak-proof lid and you're ready to head out the door, smoothie in hand. Many reviewers love being able to make their smoothie right in the cup they drink from, noting how it makes for easy cleanup. Overall, the choice comes down to whether or not you need a cordless blender. Both blenders are just about equal in terms of performance, although the cordless option does have a slightly larger 16-ounce capacity. As for the main Hamilton Beach personal blender, this compact blender hits the mark for quick, personal smoothies. You'll appreciate how the 14-ounce cup doubles as your travel container, making morning routines more efficient. The stainless steel blades handle basic blending tasks well for drinks and shakes. For the price point, this Hamilton Beach offers good value if you need a simple space-saving solution for daily smoothies. The plug-in power source is reliable, and cleanup is straightforward with the dishwasher-safe cup.